There it is. Hello. Alrighty. Hello. This is the sous vide egg. This is COVID eggs. These are sous vide frozen COVID eggs. That's gonna be the big clickbait YouTube Shorts title. It's gonna be epic. And pepper jack. That shit, hold up. That Wisconsin habanero. Alrighty. Looks like I've got foaming 172 for an hour. So it looks like tap, tap, tap. Didn't get enough bubbles. Alrighty. I didn't add any oil. Oh, alright. It's stuck. Oh, but it is. I don't know. Oh, it's creamy. Trying to just, break it off the walls. And whatever. Alrighty. Oh, it's creamy. Potato starch. It's kind of pasty. All right. Yeah, no, it's a little habanero. We got 2-minute limit on that first window. I'm going for that second bite just like that. COVID eggs. You're next.